Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on quite big canvas for me because I will do a split cup pour and my canvas is 16 by 24 so sorry so it will be quite a challenge for me to pour as long, because with split cup pours, you know, it's kind of tricky because your hands can start shaking. So I will just remove this for the part that I will pour my paints into the cup, and I will use 3-chamber cup from Paint Pour Store with the handle. I love those. You can find link into the description box and of course a discount code. And I will talk about my colors while I'm going. This is the consistency. Oop. It leaves a mound but disappears quite quickly. And this one is Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo, and I will have to fill my cups twice, you know, my cup twice. And this is Prussian Phthalo by Amsterdam, and this is Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam, and I will use some white, just titanium white, not any pearl white or whatever, just Amsterdam titanium white mixed with my pouring medium. Let's add a little between the layers and I will repeat. And as I said, I will pour this one and then I will refill my cup and do the second one, because my cups are, I believe, 8 ounces and I will need more paint than that. So it will be a challenge for me because I never did this big split cup pour, so we will see how this will work, shall we? And in the next chamber I will use Arteza Deep Brown Metallic, Amsterdam Burnt Sienna, this little piggy pigments, Latte, Manganese Blue by Amsterdam, Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo, and Amsterdam Expert Series, Amsterdam Phthalo turquoise, so sorry. One down, and I will refill my cup and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm not sure about this part here, but we will see. I will put it down from my spin table now, just to be easier to tilt, because I will tilt it. I will just go with the skewer and try to correct this part, just one part, because I really don't like it. Just go underneath here, try to cover it. Maybe I will go from here. Just push it over this, because I don't like it. Okay, I'm done. Wow, what a beautiful painting. And there is a lot of these iridescent paints that will just shimmer when it will be dry, so can't wait. Just have to check the sides and then take it down for a close-up. So here is a close-up of the dry result. It's hard to show you the shimmer. Just a second, I was just a bit too close, but I will try to, because those iridescent paints and this little piggy latte, they shine so bright. I will just go a little closer. This way it's probably better. Just gorgeous. I really, really love this painting, and I'm so happy that I went on the big canvas with the split cup. I just have to show you the details. Just amazing. You see this latte and iridescent green yellow, and here is iridescent blue green. Ooh, it's just beautiful. All those little details in there, you see. Focus. They're just amazing. This blue-green here. And the green, yellow and latte. Just beautiful. I love it, I really do. So happy, happy, happy. See you on the next one. Bye.